Music. Want more Amazon sales? This is your guide to Amazon advertising. Find helpful links in the description. Amazon Advertising is a powerful pay-per-click platform built for brands and sellers to boost visibility and drive sales. With millions of shoppers searching for products, your ads reach ready-to-buy customers. This makes it one of the most conversion-focused platforms available. Amazon offers several ad types: sponsored products, sponsored brands, sponsored display, and Amazon DSP. Sponsored products are keyword-targeted ads appearing in search results and product pages, perfect for boosting individual listings. Sponsored brands showcase your logo, a custom headline, and multiple products at the top of search results, increasing brand awareness. Sponsored display targets shoppers on and off Amazon using interest-based and remarketing ads. Amazon DSP lets brands advertise across Amazon's ecosystem, including Fire TV, Twitch, and third-party websites. The platform uses a bidding system similar to Google Ads. Advertisers compete for placements based on cost per click or cost per thousand impressions. Target by keywords, products, competitors, and audience segments. Automated bidding strategies optimize ad performance and maximize return on ad spend. Amazon Advertising provides detailed reports on impressions, clicks, conversion rates, and advertising cost of sales. Use these insights to refine targeting and improve campaign performance. Unlike Google or Facebook ads, Amazon's focus is driving sales, making it highly effective for e-commerce. While ideal for brands selling on Amazon, it also offers options for off-site awareness. Want increased visibility and maximum revenue? Amazon Advertising is essential. Start your campaign today. Check the links in the description.